What is the best dermal filler for nasolabial folds? This nice filler is the best dermal filler for nasolabial folds. We use 14,500 watts of hyaluronic acid raw materials and type paper syringe needle from BD Company, which is one of the best medical company in the world. You can order our brand name Oatly also made hyaluronic acid filler products or customize your provide label. We have 6 designers from China, the United States, France, and Dubai who are familiar with different cultures and customs design styles of different countries. Can meet your needs for product appearance design. AOMA Company is one of the first 10 factories to produce sodium hyaluronic gel in the world. Please feel free to contact us if you need OEM service.